So with me, I've got the Co-Chairman of Media and Publicity of the Royal Thomian encounter, the longest uninterrupted schoolboy encounter. Guys, what do you all have to say?
I think we just concluded the press conference very successfully. It was a lovely event. The two schools met and shared a moment with the Shield, and we think it's going to be a really exciting game next week.
Santhush, from your end?
I think, as you said, the press con went off really well, so that's one off. Okay, and I think in a couple of days down the line we have the match, and 146 Butler Blues, we got something very interesting lined up, and I think, as usual, it's going to be one heck of a carnival and one big party.
Indeed, a party that all of us are looking forward to. So the guys outside think Royal Thomian is a rivalry, but seeing both of you all today, like organizing it, putting it up together, I was there from the beginning of the event. It's all about brotherhood. So what do you all have to say about that?
Certainly. So since the centenary Royal Thomian, we've had a joint organizing committee, so it's something that's really important to ensure that the game is played in fair conditions that protect the players and the interests of both schools. It also really promotes the camaraderie, communication, understanding between the two schools, and it's always a pleasure to work side by side with Santhush.